my name is Tamsin and welcome to this Ask the Expert video on how you can use Glean's transcription feature more effectively. So you can transcribe your audio really easily after you've used Glean to record a class. You'll need to have Glean open and head into the event that you'd like to transcribe your audio for. On the right hand side over here, you may have noticed you have this audio section where all of your audio lives, and you'll have the exact same for transcript as well. So click on that and then go ahead and click on transcribe audio here. To start the process of converting that audio to text, you'll need to select the language that's being spoken in the recording, and we have a bunch of languages that you can choose from here. By default, English will be selected. And that is the case for me, so I'm going to go ahead and hit transcribe. Do make sure you're connected to internet for this. It's one of the few features within Glean that does require you to be connected to the Wi-Fi, but you can come in and out whilst the transcript is being generated. It will continue to do its thing in the background. But as you can see, it doesn't take very long. So here on the right hand side, I have my full transcript ready for me. And I can click on any point in this transcript that I'd like to go to, and it will send me to whatever slide I was on or any notes or anything at all that's connected with that part of the transcript. I can play back the audio and follow along with the transcript if I like. So to do that, I'll just need to select the relevant part of the transcript I'd like to listen to and then click on the play feature here at the top.
This graph is known as the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, and it shows the amount of information that we retain over time.
Awesome. And you can also change the color of this highlighting if you wanted to do that. You can head over to the top bar, hover, and you'll find this rainbow. And to change the theme, just click on the rainbow and it will change. You can keep clicking until you find the highlighting color that you like. And you can stick with it. Awesome. So you can also post sections of your transcript into your notes feed really easily. So if you head over to the part of the transcript you'd like to post in your notes feed, for example, let's say we want to post this part, all we'll need to do is to highlight that section and this option to post will appear. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and it will insert all of that text into the relevant part of my notes. It's all editable as well, so I can make any changes to this text if I want to. I can add to it, I can delete parts, I can move it around. I can really do whatever it is that I'd like to do with that section. If I wanted to copy the entire transcript, I can also do that by heading over to the three dots in this top right hand corner and clicking copy transcript. That will copy all of the transcript to your clipboard. And you can go ahead and use that however you'd like. Now, there are some features that require you to transcribe your audio before you use them. For example, Quiz Me. So if you do want to benefit from that, then make sure that you transcribe your audio first. And our search function also requires you to transcribe your text. So let's go ahead and show you where that is. So on the home page, on this sidebar, you can click on search, and here you can really type in whatever it is that you would like to find, and this will pull from the transcript. So I'm going to go ahead and click forgetting, and you'll see here that it will show me any notes, but here I can find the sections in the transcript that I was just on. So this graph is known as the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. That's what I was looking for. So it just allows me to search and find the information really easily. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Do look out for the next video in our Ask the Expert series. But thank you very much for listening. Take care.